Namaskar Bhavanites, welcome to the art and craft class. I know you all love to do activities. जैसे मदर्स डे पर हमने मदर्स के लिए एक्टिविटी प्लान की थी. अब फादर्स डे आने वाला है, so we will plan something for our fathers to make them happy. In this activity, we will make photo frame, and this activity you have to do it in your activity class. For this you required some material. One frame cutting out of the cardboard. First of all, take the size of your photograph, any family photograph, and cut it from the center. One colored paper sheet, glue, and rice. So first of all, place the photograph in the center and cut it from the center. You have to keep this frame ready before your activity class. आपने पहले से ही ये सब चीज़ें रेडी रखनी है और मैम आपको बताएंगे कि आपने क्लास में ये एक्टिविटी कैसे करनी है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टेक द फ्रेम एंड ग्लू. नाउ पेस्ट द ग्लू. अप्लाई द ग्लू ऑन all the sides of the cardboard. Now take any sheet, any hard sheet, and just spread the Fevicol like this. You have to spread it evenly on all the sides of the cutting. Now take rice and spread it on the Fevicol. Children, you can also use glitters, or you can do thumb impressions, tearing pasting, vegetable printing, anything you want to do. So this part is done. Take out the extra rice. Apply it where it is required. So now this is ready. You can also decorate it like this, and if you want to color it, you can also color it with whatever color you want. Take your favorite color. You can also use stones, mirrors, laces, anything. Now I will take golden color and just apply the color with the paintbrush. Just paint it like this. You have to color all the sides. Just neatly do it. Now this is done. Now take the colored sheet and apply the Fevicol on the sides and just place it on the sheet. Press it with your hands. Children, now it's time to decorate it. You can take any flower, stones, mirrors, anything you want. कुछ भी ले सकते हो. जैसे I've written something on this paper. Dad, you are my sunshine. You can write anything. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो बेटा. This is your activity. Anything you want to write for your dad, and just paste it with the glue on the sides of frame. This is done. Now in the center, take any family photograph or photograph with your dad and apply glue and paste it in the center. Now you can do more decorations with your ideas. Take one strip, cardboard strip, and fold it from the upper and the lower part like this. Now we will make the stand. At the back, apply some glue and paste this strip to make a stand. Now your photo frame is ready. You can also use straws, wool, pom-poms, mirrors, flowers, laces, anything you want. पापा को देते टाइम फोटो क्लिक कराना मत भूलना and send it to your class teacher. So be ready. We will do this activity in the class. Bye bye. Thank you.